Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever found yourself struggling with your brows, you're not alone. Getting them just right can feel like an art form, and finding the right product to make that happen is key. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to simplify your brow game. The Estée Lauder Brow Now Brow Defining Eyebrow Gel Pencil with Spoolie Brush. This product is designed to shape, define, and fill in your brows with precision, offering long-lasting results. Available in the shade 02 Soft Brown, it comes with a creamy texture that glides on easily and a waterproof formula that ensures your brows stay put all day. It's got everything you need to achieve that perfect brow look without any fuss. But is it really as great as it sounds? Let's find out. First impressions? The pencil itself is sleek and has a decent weight to it. Not too heavy, but enough to feel substantial. The spoolie on the other end is a nice touch, allowing you to blend and shape your brows seamlessly after application. In terms of texture, the pencil is surprisingly creamy for a long-wear product, which is something I always look for. It's not too soft though, so you're not going to get smudges or uneven application. Instead, you get precision and control. And the best part? It doesn't require constant sharpening. The retractable design is so practical, making it travel-friendly and easy to carry around. Now onto how it performs. I've tested this pencil in a few different conditions, from my typical workday to a few runs out in the rain. One of the standout features is its ability to stay put. I'm talking hours of wear without budging or fading, even when I'm out and about. The waterproof formula really holds up, which is something I appreciate, especially on days when humidity is high or you're running errands. It's not the easiest product to remove, but that's honestly a plus if you're looking for something long-lasting. The gel pencil defines the brows beautifully, filling in sparse areas with a natural finish. It gives you that full, fluffy brow look, which is so on trend right now. The shade Soft Brown was a perfect match for my medium brown brows. Not too warm, not too ashy. If you're looking for a shade that suits a variety of brow tones, I think this would work for many people, though the range of colors is limited, so if you have very dark or very light brows, you may want to check the other shades available. However, not everything is perfect. One minor drawback is that I did notice some smudging when I accidentally touched my brows in the first few hours, particularly on warmer days. So while it's mostly waterproof, a little bit of touch-up might be necessary if you're especially active. Another point to note is that if you prefer a more gel-like or powdery finish, this pencil might not be exactly what you're looking for, as it leans more towards a soft cream finish. As for value, this product does sit on the pricier side. Estée Lauder is known for its premium pricing, and while the quality is certainly there, I would say that if you're looking for an eyebrow pencil that delivers precision and long-lasting results, this one is worth the splurge. It's especially great if you like the convenience of having a spoolie built into the product, and its ability to withstand the elements without fading is a big win. But if you're looking for a more affordable option that gets the job done, there are definitely other pencils out there that offer similar performance, though none with quite the same level of elegance and luxury in the design. When it comes to build quality, the pencil is solid. It's not something that will break easily. I've dropped it a couple of times. Oops. And it hasn't damaged the tip or the mechanism, which is a testament to how well it's made. It doesn't feel like a cheap product, and the twist-up feature is smooth and functional. In terms of longevity, this pencil has kept its performance intact over a few weeks of use. The formula hasn't dried out, and the spoolie still does its job without losing shape, which I always look for in a product like this. Now, I haven't had direct experience with Estée Lauder's customer support, but based on the brand's reputation for premium service, I imagine it would be top-notch if you had any issues. They've built a strong customer care presence, so it's comforting to know that the brand stands behind its products. So, would I recommend this product? If you're looking for a sleek, long-lasting eyebrow pencil that offers both precision and a natural finish, then absolutely. The Estée Lauder Brow Now pencil does live up to its claims, especially if you value a water-resistant formula that stays put throughout the day. But if you're on a budget, you might want to explore a few alternatives. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Is it your new brow go-to, or did it fall short for you? And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this review too. Your support helps us keep bringing honest, in-depth reviews like this to you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.